We know that the value of sine is always between -1 and 1. So we can say that -1 is less than or equal to sine of x, and sine of x is less than or equal to 1. This means the value of sine can never be less than -1 and it can never be bigger than 1. The same rule applies for cos as well. The sine of cos x or cos theta is always between -1 and 1. In case you have a situation where you have 3 times of sine x or 7 times cos x, for this case we know that sine x will always be between -1 and 1. That means the maximum value of sine is 1, but this function is 3 times sine x. That means the maximum value of this function would be 3 times of 1, which is 3. In this case, the maximum value of cos x would be 7 times 1, which is 7. For the minimum value, the same rule will apply, since we have the same sine function multiplied by 3. So the minimum value of sine would be 3 times of -1, which is -3. And the minimum value of 7 cos x would be 7 times of -1, which is -7. This means for 3 sine x, the minimum value is -3, maximum is 3. And the value of 3 sine x would be always between -3 and 3. It will not be less than -3 and it cannot be more than +3. For 7 cos x, the value will always be between -7 and +7. Let's look at this example. We are trying to find the maximum value of 5 sine x minus 8. I will assume that this is a function, and I will represent this function by y. So we have y equals 5 sine x minus 8, and we are trying to find the maximum value of y. Since this is a sine function, I will start by writing the basic rule. Sine is always between -1 and +1. We will try to get this sine to become this expression. We will try the transformations. If you notice here, sine has been multiplied by 5, and then eventually we are subtracting 8. So we will do the exact same operation. First we multiply it by 5 to make it 5 sine x. But as per the rules of inequality, if you multiply one side by 5, you will have to multiply all the other sides by 5 too. So I will multiply every single side by 5. So it becomes -1 times 5 is less than equal to 5 times sine x is less than or equal to 1 times 5. I have multiplied all the sides by 5, and on simplification it becomes -5 less than equal to 5 sine x less than equal to +5. Now we have -8 as well. To get this 5 sine x to become 5 sine x minus 8, we need to subtract 8 from all sides. So I will do -5 minus 8. 5 sine x minus 8 would be 5 minus 8. -5 minus 8 is -13. 5 sine x minus 8 is our original function y. So I can say that this would be y. And 5 minus 8 is -3. This means y will have a minimum value of minus 13 and maximum value of minus 3. Y cannot be less than minus 13, y cannot be more than minus 3. So this is the maximum and this is the minimum value. Since the question is only asking for the maximum, we will write our answer. Y maximum is equal to minus 3.